Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain you the lesson Travel and Currency. What is the name of the lesson? Travel and Currency. Currency ante money. Yes, see now. Transport is a system used to move people or goods from one place to another. Transport ante used to move goods or a people from one place to another. That is known as transport. The various means of transport are airways, railways, sea, and road. Yes. Now we are going to see as private transport. What do you mean by private transport, children? See, everyone have some of the other vehicles. Some will have cycles, some will have scooters, cars, bikes. Yes, that are एवरदी वालदी. आप लोगों का है तो उसको बोलते हैं प्राइवेट ट्रांसपोर्ट. Yes, we do not have share a ride with others. We are a we share a ride with family or friends only. Private transport helps saves us time. It is also safe and comfortable. Private transport can be owned or hired individuals. కదా ప్రైవేట్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్లో వి డస్ నాట్ మనం మన బండి పైన ఎవరు రానోయే వాళ్ళు ఎవరు వస్తే వాళ్ళని ఎక్కించుకుంటామా नो कोई भी आए जाते जाते मेरे को जो एक बार गाड़ी बोलते दे देते नहीं देते खाली किसको बिठा लेते अपने गाड़ियों पे अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स अपने फ्रेंड्स को बिठा लेते कदा यस इट विल सेव आवर टाइम अगर बस को जाना है तो बस स्टॉप में जाना इतने देर बस आए तक रुकना यस फिर बस में चढ़ के जाना it will be not safe nowadays due to this corona no one are use many people are not using public transport everyone are using only private transport. Public transport, it is a mode of transport in which a number of people share a ride. Yes, or many people will go at the same time. They are run according to the fixed schedules and routes. Bus routes train they have a fixed time. ఏ టైంకు ఆతే ఏ టైంకు జాతే వైసా అయితే నా ట్రైన్ బి టైంని బట్టి ఉంటాయి ఈ టైంకి ఈ ట్రైన్ అనే ఉంటుంది కదా దిస్ ఈజ్ యూజువలీ రన్ బై ద స్టేట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజువలీ రన్ బై ద స్టేట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిలేటివ్లీ చీప్ ఎస్ దిస్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ పబ్లిక్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ ఈజ్ చీప్ वी नीड टू बाई टिकट्स टू ट्रैवल बाई दिस पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ करने के लिए क्या करना है टिकट लेना है पहले बस में चढ़े तो भी टिकट पूछते ना ट्रेन में फिर मेट्रो ट्रेन में सब में टिकट लेना ज़रूरी है बस ट्रेन्स एंड मेट्रोस आर क्लासिफाइड एज पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट इज़ यूज़फुल व्हेन वी ट्रैवल लॉन्ग डिस्टेंसेस ये कब अच्छे है ज़्यादा दूर ट्रैवल करना है तो वी कैन यूज़ पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. Yes, now travel has become a part of our lives. Yes, we travel to various places for sightseeing and recreation. नहीं एक जगह से दूसरे जगह कुछ एन्जॉयमेंट के लिए देखने के लिए we will move no. Yes, some people make business trips. थोड़े जने अपने बिजनेस वर्क के लिए इधर से इधर ट्रैवल करते रहते सम ट्रैवल टू प्लेसेस इन सर्च ऑफ जॉब्स एंड वर्क अपॉर्चुनिटीज यस all these travels have been made easier faster and more comfortable with the use of modern vehicles and technology yes travels अब एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाना ఒక దగ్గర నుంచి ఇంకో దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళడం చాలా ఈజీ అయిపోయింది ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకంటే ఈ పబ్లిక్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ ఎయిర్వేస్ కదా ఏరోప్లేన్స్లలో ట్రైన్స్లలో మెట్రో ట్రైన్స్లో కానీ బస్సెస్లో కానీ వెళ్ళడం చాలా ఈజీగా అయిపోయింది ఇప్పుడు నౌ ట్రావెలింగ్ బై ట్రైన్ చిల్డ్రన్ ట్రావెలింగ్ బై ట్రైన్ we have to buy tickets. We can buy tickets from the ticket counter at the railway station. कहाँ पर लेना रेलवे टिकट रेलवे स्टेशन में देते इफ़ वी हैव टू ट्रैवल फॉर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस वी शुड रिजर्व अ बर्थ इन एडवांस अगर ज़्यादा देर ट्रैवल करना ट्रेन में ज़्यादा दूर तक तो क्या करते हैं बर्थ बोले तो सोने के लिए भी रहता है ना ट्रेन में वो बुक कर लेना. Long distance coaches have like first class AC, second class AC, third class AC, sleeper class, general compartments etc. ट्रेन में क्या क्या रहते हैं? अगर वो ज़्यादा दूर तक जाने वाले हैं ट्रेन्स है तो उसमें क्या रहता? उसमें डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंपार्टमेंट्स रहते. फर्स्ट क्लास AC कंपार्टमेंट, सेकंड क्लास AC कंपार्टमेंट, थर्ड क्लास AC कंपार्टमेंट, जनरल, स्लीपर क्लास, ये सब डिफरेंट कंपार्टमेंट्स रहते ट्रेन में. Now e-tickets. E-ticket means Indian Railway Reservation website allow the passengers to buy tickets online and pay by credit or debit cards. Yes, अब आजकल रेलवे वाले क्या कर रहे हैं? ऑनलाइन में भी टिकट बुक करके अपने डेबिट कार्ड क्रेडिट कार्ड से पेमेंट ले रहे नहीं. Yes, passengers can also check train fares. Yes, we can even check the fares అంటే డబ్బులు. यहाँ से शिरडी जाने कितने पैसे हो लगते, कब है ट्रेन, ये सब भी ऑनलाइन में हम लोग चेक कर सकते. ट्रेन कब है, कितने पैसे लगते, यहाँ से मुंबई जाने के लिए, दिल्ली जाने के लिए कितने ट्रेन है, कि कौन से टाइम पर है, कितने चार्जेस लगते एक जने को, वह सब इन्फॉर्मेशन भी आप लोग रेलवेज ई टिकट्स में, रेलवेज में मीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीन्स ऑनलाइन में भी देख सकते. और कितने टिकट्स खाली है, confirmation of tickets. Yes, we can even reserve our tickets. E-tickets have made life easy for the public. As ఎందుకు this will be very easy. कब है कब नहीं है ट्रेन वो सब देखने के लिए देख के हम लोग उस टाइम पे वहाँ जा सकते हैं ना. इसके लिए बहुत टाइम भी सेव हो रहा सब जने के लिए. Now traveling by metro train. Nowadays we are traveling through metro stations, metro trains. Metro is a lifeline for the people in crowded cities. Yes, thousands of people travel by metro every day. Smart cards are used by regular passengers. People who do not have smart cards can buy tokens from the counters for traveling each day. यस मैं आजकल सब जने क्या कर रहे हैं, मेट्रो ट्रेन्स यूज़ कर रहे. मेट्रो ट्रेन्स अपने थोड़े जने क्या रोज़ मेट्रो ट्रेन में जाने वाले स्मार्ट कार्ड्स यूज़ कर रहे. यस, अदरवाइज वी कैन गो डे इफ़ यू वांट टू गो एनी टाइम यू कैन गो टू द मेट्रो स्टेशन एंड टेक द टोकन देयर एंड यू कैन ट्रैवल इन इट. ओके, नाउ air travel. How can we travel through air, children? Through the aeroplanes. Air travel is an expensive means of travel. We need a passport to visit a foreign country. Yes, we need to, if we want to go to any other country, we need a passport. Passport is not needed to travel within India. If we want to travel within our country, we need passport. But if we want to go abroad our country, अपने देश से अलग दूसरे देशों को जाना है तो पासपोर्ट चाहिए. अपने कंट्री में ही रहना है, दूसरे प्लेसेस एयरवेज से देखना है तो उसके लिए पासपोर्ट ज़रूरी नहीं है. पासपोर्ट इज़ अ डॉक्यूमेंट इश्यूड Passport is a document issued by the government to its citizens for national. Okay, now we are going to see passport is a document issued by the government of a citizens for international travel and identification. Yes, it is used to verify citizenship when we enter our foreign countries. Visa is a endorsement placed with a passport that grants permission to enter, live or stay in the country. Yes, दूसरे countries को जाने के लिए visas, passport सब चाहिए. And they will be for the specified time children. इतने दिन के लिए 1 साल का वीज़ा, 6 महीने का वीज़ा ऐसा रहता. Yes. Now currency बोले तो money. For traveling by public transport, we need to buy tickets. We need to spend money to buy tickets. Every country has a particular type of money that is used to buy things in the country. It is known as currency. currency of that country. The currency of India is INR, that is Indian rupees. Yes? In India we use rupees and coins. Money made of metal are called coins, and those made of paper are called currency notes. Yes, in India we use currency notes and coins. Yes, see children, these are the different types of currencies we use. Currency notes are denominations. We have 1 rupee note, 5, 2, 10, 20, 50, 100, 500, 1000. All these notes that we use in India. They have the image of Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, हर एक नोट पे क्या रहता? We have a image of Mahatma Gandhi, who is the father of our nation. A series of rupee note called Mahatma Gandhi series was introduced in 1996. When was it introduced? ऐसा नोटों पे महात्मा गांधी का पिक्चर कब इंट्रोड्यूस करे? 1996 में. The national emblem is also printed on the notes. Yes, have you seen the national emblem, children? Do you know national emblem? The 4 lions. Yes, it is also printed on the. See, here it is. Here you can see here. I'll show. See this. This is the national emblem. Here, down you can see here. Here, this is a national emblem. That is the 4 faces of the lions. Yes. Now denominations 1 and 2 are not in circulation. Nowadays we are not using 1 rupee and 2 rupees notes. In the year 2016, during demonetization, 500 and rupees 1000 rupees notes are also banned. Yes, 500 and 1000 rupees are also banned from 2016. However, in place of demonetized rupees notes, new notes of denominations 50, 200, 500, 2000 and been introduced. वो 500 और 1000 रुपीज़ के नोट बंद करने के बाद ये नए नोट्स भी आ गए, 50 का, 200, 500 and 2000. Okay children, now we'll learn about coins. A coin is a small, flat, round piece of hard material made of metal used primarily as a medium of exchange. Each coin has 2 sides. One side it has its value marked on it and the other side the national emblem. हर एक कॉइन के लिए देखो इसको बोलते हैं नेशनल एम्ब्लेम. एक साइड वो कितना कॉइन है, 1 rupee, 2 rupees. दिस इज आवर नेशनल एम्ब्लेम चिल्ड्रन. कैन यू सी इट? This is our national emblem. One side it will have a rupee, its value marked, and the other side it will have a national emblem. Okay, this is about currency. Now you see coins. See, in olden days we used to have these coins, children. You see, this is in 1950. 1 anna, 2 anna, 3 anna, 4 anna. అప్పుడు అనాస్ అని ఉంటుండే, తర్వాత రూపీస్గా చేంజ్ అయింది. అవర్ గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ యూజ్డ్ దీస్ కాయిన్స్ ఫర్ లెసన్ వాల్యూస్ బికాస్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ వర్ చీప్ అట్ దోస్ టైమ్స్. ద స్మాలెస్ట్ యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ మనీ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ ద స్టోన్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ పైక్. 4 pike made 1 anna and 16 annas made 1 rupee. Now conversion of currency you see, children. Yes. See, in US, $1 value is 63 rupees. That is 64 rupees, sorry. Euro, 1 euro is equal to how many rupees, children? 1 euro is equal to 80 rupees. Yan, 1 yan is equal to 60 pies. And Singapore dollar, 1 Singapore dollar is equal to 48.85 rupees. For pies, 48 rupees 85 pies. Okay, did you all follow the lesson about currencies and rupees, children? Yes, in the next class I am going to send you the WhatsApp notes, children. In the WhatsApp, the notes, hard words, question answers, fill in the blanks and everything of this lesson. Complete it in your classwork. Okay? Thank you.